Guys, this is the Merry Berry Colada featuring Seagram's Escape Island Berry. Good to go. Okay, let's start mixing. Ice. We get ice in there. We can come behind that with some coconut rum. Now we follow that up with our Seagram's Escape Island Berry from their Aloha pack. That's it right there. That's where they have these tropical flavors. Mela Kaliki Maka. Another means Merry Christmas in Hawaii. That's right, I'm multilingual. Catch up. Now, I need the second part because this drink got two blended parts to it. Ice! Come behind that with some white rum. Now you follow that up with some cream of coconut. That's right, this is a pina colada that I'm making on this side. And then some pineapple juice. So now we can start off with our island berry. A little bit more. Come on, buddy. Nice. I want to be gentle with this one, so I can just rest some. Just to create a nice little landing surface.
Landing surface?
Yeah, because I don't want it to plop down into the red, you see? I come behind it with my red again. This is a really pretty color. So I come behind and I put a little pineapple on the side. And then we pull out some pineapple leaves. Why? Because we have to have our Christmas decorations, right? But they gotta be tropical because this is Seagram's Escape. And they have these cool tropical flavors, so I want a little bit of the tropics in there. Bang. Put a little straw in. Good to go. And there you have it, the Merry Berry Colada. Merry Christmas! Dude, this is delicious. And these are fun. So definitely, guys, you got to go grab yourself some Seagram's Escape. And the beauty of these, right, is that it's only 3.2%. So you could drink it as is. It's nice, light, and refreshing. But where it works best for me is I love to use these as mixers because you have a mixer that's tropical and it has alcohol in it. You can't beat that. So as always, drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Go grab yourself one of these. Later. Stay tipsy.